Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about relational operator, this one. So what I can do it here, I am going to create one variable a, the value will be 20, variable b, value will be 30, and I am going to take one more variable, that a boolean is I'll take result boolean. Okay, and I am going to use the condition result is equal to result is equal to a is equal to b. Okay, so if both are equal, then it will print a true result, else it will print false. False because a value is 20 and b value is a 30. So I can do it here 30 and then we'll check. Why this yellow showing, because I am not changing the value, but I have taken var. Better I can take var. So the yellow things gone now. Now let me check. The value should be a true because a is equal to b. So 30 both are 30. So it should be 30. Result should be a true. Okay, so this now if I am going to check, a is greater than equal to b, so it will be result will be a true. Suppose I am going to increase this value, then a is greater than equal to b. A is always greater. See, 130 is greater than 30. If I am going to just changing this, a is less than b, then result will be a false. And if not equal to b, a not equal to b, both are this time it will print true because a not equal to b. A value is 130, b is, so both are not true. This condition a not equal to b, so both are not equal, so this condition will be a true, so output will be a true. Okay, and suppose we wanted to do some direct, a is greater than b, it will print a true. If I am just reversing, a is a less than b, no, a is a greater than b. So we have learned the relational operator. Now I am going to learn logical operators. So for logical operator, what we can do it here, we will take all the values. Here I am going to make one, and here I am going to create one more variable, c is equal to 30. So here I am checking a is equal to b and a is equal to c. It means when this condition will get true and this condition will also get true, then this result will become true, else it will be a false. So this time A is equal to B, not true. A is equal to C, not true. So the result will be a false. False. Now let me change. A is equal to 30, B, all are equal. So A is equal to B, A is equal to B means 30, 30, A is equal to B. If I am writing here A value 30 and the B value 30, so both are equal, and here A value 30 and C value 30, this will also get equal. So the result will be a true. Or what is the difference between and or? And means it will check this condition as well as this condition. If both condition will get true, then it will print, otherwise it will not print. In this scenario, both condition need to be true. Suppose this should be a true and this should be also true, then only it result will get true, otherwise it will false. But in OR condition, this is a OR symbol. In OR condition, either this true, either this true, it will print true. If both are true, it will true. If one is a false and another is a true, then it will print true. If both are false, this condition false and this condition also get false, then it will return false. So let me check this first. It will print true. True. Okay, now if I'll make it here not. So in this condition, A not is equal to B, this become false because A is equal to B and A is equal to C, this will become true. So the output will be a true. If I am going to change not, in this scenario, A not is equal to B and A not is equal to C, this is a false, this is also false because A is equal to C and A is equal to B. This time it will be a false. Got it? Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.